Today we're testing out a modern smart lock that promises a bunch of premium features without a high price tag. This is the Devo G8 Fingerprint Smart Lock. You get fingerprint access, built-in Wi-Fi, and app control all in one. Included in the box is your paperwork, along with a template for your door that you can use. The outside part of the door assembly that's got the keypad on it. The inside part of the door assembly that's got the hand part of the lock. That will also need 8 AA batteries that are not included for this to work. So keep that in mind and pick you up some batteries. You also get some key cards that will electronically unlock the lock. Some hardware for assembly. 2 keys to have for your keychain. And the rest of the hardware for your door is located inside of this little white box. The keypad is flush with minimal bezel, giving it a really clean look. On the door, it will replace your standard deadbolt. The user manual supports doors 35 to 55 millimeters thick. You get multiple ways to unlock this lock, from your fingerprint, app control, PIN code, IC cards, and a mechanical key. And if you're an Alexa or Google user, you can set this up for voice control. The system supports up to 100 fingerprints, 50 PIN codes, and 50 IC cards. With the G8, you don't have to use a bridge. It has its own built-in Wi-Fi, so you can control it directly through your phone. From the app, you can lock and unlock from anywhere, view access logs, grant temporary access, and manage users. You also get alerts for low battery and unauthorized access attempts. The Devo G8 is a very compelling smart lock in its class. You're getting a fast fingerprint access, full remote control without needing a separate gateway, multiple unlocking modes, and one of my favorites, a solid build quality. If you want to check specs or see current pricing, I'll drop a link below. If you've enjoyed this review, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. That's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.